All the way from Russia. Let's go do something. Let's go. Alright, let's calm down, let's settle down. Santa is in a big hurry. He has to visit many places. But here Santa has made a list of some names of some boys. He's got a list. Look, he's got a big list. And be ready to hear your name. Perhaps it can be you who's a special boy. So the first name that I call out is the boy who's best in co-curricular activities, Aditya Mazumdar of 3D. Let's give a round of applause for Aditya Mazumdar. Aditya Mazumdar, please come on stage. All of you. Aditya Mazumdar. All right, a round of applause for Aditya. The next boy that has chosen. Alright, the next boy that Santa has chosen is a sporty boy. And he has chosen this boy from class 3E. Who can it be? Who can it be?